So today I am going to the hospital. Not like a surprise hospital visit. I'm getting an MRI on my hip because I don't know if you noticed in a couple of the videos that I've posted, but I limp like the penguin from Batman. And I don't really know how I hurt my hip, but it's been painful for a couple months now, maybe 2 months. I went to the doctors and they gave me a cortisone shot in my hip, and then they tried again doing a fluoroscopic injection, which is like an injection right into my hip joint, and then neither of those worked, so they have me going back in for an actual MRI. And I was like, oh, okay, MRI, that's not too bad. And they're like, well, you still have to get an injection in your hip. And I was like, well, not gonna be as bad as the last one where they like went 6 levels deep in my skin. And no, they still have to do that so that they can light up my hip joint. So looking super forward to that. And thank you so much, Patrick, for driving me. I thought I was totally fine with this. I wasn't scared about it all week. God, I woke up feeling so sick this morning. Patrick thinks it might have to do with that I had Oreos and milk last night, along with our actual dinner and beer. But I think it might have to do with maybe a little bit of that, but also anxiety. So I guess I'm low-key nervous about it, but it'll be fine. Yeah, that's it. See you soon.
Yeah. The rhymes, you know they keep you moving every time. The rhymes, you know they keep you moving every time. Yes. Oh, we are fresh. Cause we the best. And you are less. The rhymes keep you moving every time. Syntax, battle axe, cracker like a skull backs, brace for the impact. Aches take a nap, jack, tic tac, play with field rap. You whack, broke, and dopeless, rife with halitosis. My quotes lather than soap bars, float like holy smokes, combusting the compost. Don't be alarmed, ghost of yester. Rest next to chest head, I'm blessed here. That I will even close to my fresh big.
Best way to feel better.
Ice cream. What is it? What do we have here?
Reese's peanut butter and jelly.
Ooh.
And dark chocolate golden Oreo.
Ooh.
And then I got hot fudge and Oreos on top. This is so...
Enjoy, you deserve it.
This isn't real. Is your tongue sticking out? Oh my gosh. I love you. I love you. You girls are my everything. Along with your brothers, of course. Oh. I promise you'll be able to get that wire from this. Thanks. I said you'll be able to get that wire. Oh my god, I've been recording this whole time. Go. You shimmeru. Good. Can you tell it's like my favorite term ever? Ishimaru. Okay. I can just describe how I feel all the time. All the time. This is something I should be doing on the ground. Can you just watch this to make sure I don't drop this thing? Ah! Okay, so this is the tower I've made, the new one that's lower. Let's see if it works. If I drop everything. Let's see if this works. Okay, it is high enough for me to work with it. It's 30. Whole other question.
What do you need me to do?
Just hold this.
But this is not safe.
I need something to be holding it in place while I connect the wires.
What did you do wrong there, Nicole?
I'll show you. So this, see how this is here? There's not enough extension length for me to take the knot and put it up and then get it into those threads to hold this to the ceiling.
Okay.
So I need to use the longer one.
Okay.
How you like me now, hater? What you talking about? I shine more, shut your mouth. What it be? What you talking about, dog? 'Cause I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it, damn right. I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it.
Spackle on this because I'm going to be hanging this up like a nice crown where this attaches to the ceiling so that will cover up the hole in the ceiling. Okay, so guess what I figured out. All I want for Christmas is new drill bits. New drill bits.
of plane, you just plane it down. It's basically like a big chisel. Plane takes like a little ribbon.
Yeah. I don't know the planer. Do you want me to keep fitting this out? Thank you! You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Rosie, for your help. Thank you. The door closes. So now I'm outlining this. I drilled the hole. This is basically gonna go in here. And we're gonna have this sit here. And so that when this comes up, it's gonna lock and unlock it. Lock and unlock, lock and unlock. And over here will be, here it is, this latch. So it'll be, unlock, lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Oh, we can open. Lock, no we can't. Not to make assumptions, but okay. That seems like the right place. Voice this. Okay. Haha! Still works. Now we get to do the fun stuff, which is all the bits and the bobs and the boobs. I mean, not the boobs, but the bits and the bobs for sure. Sloo-dee-doo. Okay, so there's a lock on this. If you look closely, okay. So it's gotta be a little thingamahoo. It's this way. And I guess you can lock it. Unlock it. But I know there's also a doodad. Ah, there she is. Where have you been all my life? Okay. Which way does she go, though? Imagine. Like at this. Like at this. Okay, I've made a decision. This is how I think it works. Before you come at me and say, you always say this is how you think it works, and then it doesn't go right. I don't know what to tell you. This is how I do things. And sometimes it works, and sometimes it super duper doesn't work. But there's a lot of times when it does super duper work, and I feel really good about my odds. Not always, but sometimes. Yeah. I feel good about it, so let's go for it. Okay. This lock isn't saying I'm a lock to me. It's saying I'm annoying. Right. Okay. Oh, locked. I'm gonna leave. Let's hope I don't lock myself out. Okay. Oh my god, you don't understand. You don't understand. That's still ugly, but whatever. You don't understand. I can enter this room with a door, and then guess what? I can close it. I finally did it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're not allowed to look at the trim around this shit, but oh my god, I have a door around it. I think I just need to like put a lot more trim to make it even, but oh my gosh, guys, the door is closed and I'm